Okay, we're going to get started diving in to the academic databases. We're going to start here on the English 1111 and 1112 Research Guide. First, we are going to click Research Databases, this tab right here. And this will bring us to the list of all of the databases that Clark State Library subscribes to. We are going to be using Academic Search Complete. While there are lots of intriguing database options, we'll use Academic Search Complete because it is a general database that covers all areas of study, unlike some of these more specialized databases. All databases here work basically the same, so the directions that we're learning here will work for most of these. We're going to start by clicking Off Campus. Click here. If you were on campus at Clark State or logged into Clark State's internet, you could just click this link, but since we are off campus, we're going to do this. And that takes us to the Ohiolink Institution Selection Form. Under Select Institution, we'll select Clark State Community College, and then click Submit. And this will bring us to the login screen. It's looking for your name, first and last, and you should enter the barcode number that is on the back of your student ID. That is your library access number. Once you've entered that, click Submit. And this will bring you into the Academic Search Complete front page. In the next video, we are going to go and look through search options and talk about how to find what we need.